Hey there, ad geniuses. I'm Kristine Mirelle, and today I'm going to be showing you one way to make your ad funny, even if you don't think that you or your business is funny. Let's go. People always tell me, I want to make funny ads, but I don't think that I'm very funny. Well, neither is car insurance, and Geico made hilarious ads. Neither is body wash, but Old Spice has made hilarious ads. And neither are razors. But guess what? Dollar Shave Club built a billion-dollar company. Yeah. They sold for $1 billion. See, it's not about your business actually being funny, because most businesses are not. It's about finding a way to add humor in a creative way. My favorite way to easily add humor into your ads is this. Have an opening line that exaggerates the pain points of your customers. Now, before you say, well, that sounds mean, hear me out. We worked with the Life Coach School founder, Brooke Castillo. And what she told me was, most of my students constantly say that they feel stuck. That's their pain point. So when she asked us to create an ad for her, the thing that I asked myself is, what is the most ridiculous, exaggerative way that we could show what it feels like to be stuck? So I found a bed and wedged myself in between two mattresses so that the viewer could openly see me stuck immediately. Brooke's opening line to the audience is,
are you feeling stuck in life? How did you even do that?
Now here's some other examples. Let's say you own a house cleaning business and you're like, are you tired of your house looking like this? And then in the background, you could show like dogs running around, laundry hanging from the ceiling, children upside down drawing on the walls. Right away, you're exaggerating the pain points of your customer in a funny way that doesn't make them cry. Instead, it makes them laugh and they go, hey, that's me. I wonder what this person's about to say. Another example. Let's pretend that you're a finance coach and you teach people how to invest in stocks. Maybe you say, have you tried to learn about stock investing, but with so many options out there, you feel like your head's gonna explode? So you could use other images and videos online to actually really accentuate that pain point in a funny way. So for you as a business owner, you would say, what are the pain points of my customers? And how can I exaggerate them visually in the first few seconds of my ad so that I get their attention right away? It creates comedy even if you are not funny or your business is funny. You're making the pain points that your customers face funny by exaggerating. And listen, the first few seconds of your ad is the most crucial. If they don't get past the first few seconds, they'll never even know what your offer is. All right, I'm Kristine Mirelle, and that was one way to make your ads funny, even if you or your business is not funny. If you'd like more advice on how to make funny ads that sell, make sure to check that description below, and let's stop making ads that suck.